Okay folks, on today's show we got a big warehouse over here just off of East 9th Street. The I-49 loop is just a quarter of a mile this way, but we got a 12,000 square foot warehouse right here that's up for sale. And we got, let me look here, we got a nice office. We'll go in there and look at that here in a few minutes. Got some docks here, but then we got another big building over there that's got 5 docks where you can pull a semi truck up and back up to that little storage unit. Got parking out here. It sits on a little over 5 acres, but let's go in and look at this building right quick. Now inside the building we've got of course these are 14-foot sidewalls with 13-foot doors. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 doors. It's a 60 by 200 foot, and it's right at 16 foot in the middle here. And what is so cool about this place is they come in here and they put 3 new offices right here ready to go. It has been tapped. You can put a restroom in here. Got the water hookups. But more importantly, the electrical. They come in here and redone this whole electrical system. You've got all the power you'll ever need for any kind of manufacturing, welding, a mechanical building. But you can see it's all professionally done, ran over, all new LED lights plumbed to the end. And let's walk over here. I want to show you on each one of these columns what they've done. They've come in here and put high voltage, you can hook up welders here, all kinds of hooks here, but you can see it's all done professionally by a major electrical company here in Texarkana. All roll insulation throughout, heavy slab. This slab will support any type equipment that you can get under them doors. Okay, just on the other end from the big warehouse, here's the offices here. We'll go look at that in a minute. We got another little loading dock warehouse complete with water, toilets, put a kitchen in there. It is a 40 by 50 long with 5 doors that's, you know, set up high enough that you could back an 18-wheeler up here and use this as a nice storage here. I'm going to say those sidewalls are 9.5, 10 foot long. These doors are going to be 8 foot tall doors, but really nice building right here. You know, another good benefit to this property, of course it sits on over 5 acres, but the present owner is leasing this acreage out here for 18-wheelers to park for extended length of time. He's got it leased out to several truckers month to month. You can continue that or you know, just do away with it after the first month. But there's several, I'm gonna guess there's over 3.5 acres right here that you could park trucks on and turn around with these big 18-wheelers. And as you can see, the whole property is enclosed with a new 6-foot 9-gauge chain link fence with 3-strand barbed wire on top, with a cantilever gate into the main warehouse up there. And now let's go look at the completely redone, rebuilt offices up here. Like I said, these are brand new offices here on the inside. Okay, just inside the new offices here, it's completely redone. You got a large office here. I think it's 11 by 11 office right over here. Oh gosh, another, you could use it as an office here or a entryway. Okay, back this way, all this is brand new, folks. They just put all this in here. Nice flooring, you got a little kitchen area for the employees here. The bathroom, large bathroom. Like I said, all this is brand new. All this sheetrock, painting, ceiling. You got a large office right here. You got another office right there. Nice office here. And we'll walk in this last office here and let's see how big it is. And the dimensions are down on the screen here, but all of them are good size with nice industrial carpet on the floor in there. But and then you can walk out of this area and be on the back dock here, and it comes right back here, and you've got a loading chute, steps up about what, 2 feet here, and then there's the big warehouse back over that way. But really nice facility. You could live in this place right here. Wow. Like I said, if you're needing a large warehouse that's just right off of East 9th Street, I-49 is just right there. 4 States Fair Parkway is here, and of course I-30 is straight up to the north here. 12,000 square foot building, warehouse, wide open with a few offices at the west end of it. Make an excellent mechanical shop, welding shop, fab shop. My goodness, there's so many things that you could do in here. Then you got these new offices that is laid out with 3, 4, 5 offices inside there, bathroom, kitchen area, and then over right there is the 5 dock building with several acres that they're parking trucks, and they're bringing in a rent on that. Folks, if you want a private tour of this property, give me a call.